Before we start working on creating some straight through and crossover cables, we must learn first what are the uses of the two. So for the straight through cable, it is a type of twisted pair cable that is used in LAN to connect a computer to a network such as a router. So example for that one is from switch to router, PC to switch, or hub to PC or server. So um, as you can see here in the figure, this is the uses no, of a straight through cable. So in other terms, the straight through cable are used for unlike devices, whereas a crossover cable is a type of Ethernet used to connect computing devices together directly. Unlike straight-through cable, the RJ45 crossover cable uses two different wiring standards. So the internal wiring of Ethernet crossover cables reverses the transmit and receive signals. It's most often um, used to connect two devices of the same type. So see, crossover cable is used for two like devices. Example from switch to switch, from switch to hub, router to router, router Ethernet port to PC network interface card. So you can see that at the back of your system unit, and PC to PC. So as you can see here in the figure, man siya ang use for the crossover cable. So to start with, let's now start creating the straight through and crossover cable. Let's start by twisting the twisted pair cable. Okay, so this is the first step, so that it will be easier for us later to arrange the colors. Ta-da! So, make sure that you straighten it para, again, dali siya i-arrange. Separate colors. So, ano mo siya. And then, let's start with white-green. Okay, white-green and then green. And then white-orange. White-orange is here. Ito. White-orange. Okay, next to white-orange would be blue. Okay. White-orange, blue. Orange, blue, and then white, blue, orange. And then white, brown, brown. Alright, so here is the color pattern. No? So white, green, green. Double check if it's correct. So that's white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. So, do not insert the UTP cable yet. Okay? Not yet. Because
if we insert that one, oh, kiwi siya. So, dili siya magpilit sa ito ang RJ45 sa taas. Meaning there would be no connection. Okay? So, let's use our crimping tool to straighten this here. So, use this kaning knife blade kani, ana siya. And then, ipaak, no? So, there you go. Diba? Straight na siya. So, we can easily insert. So, this would be ang ulo niya. No, dili ka niya. Namay ikog-ikog. So, kanya itong gamitin. Then, insert slowly. Make sure na ang color dili interchange. Also, make sure that upon you making a cable, dili siya walay wire na maglampas tiraan, no? That is the standard in creating a cable. And then, let's check if nadikit pa siya tanan. So, actually, we can see that here. So, you can see colors there above, no? To verify. Pag wala gani, you check again. So, right after you confidently pushed the RJ45, let us now lock. I-lock na natin siya by using this. Kami nasa ito nga niya. Okay? So, insert. Insert ni mo. Make sure again na may connection. Tanaw mo again sa taas. No? If na colors na ni gawas, kaya if walay connection yung tabo. Then, i-lock na ito siya. Okay. I believe na-lock na siya. Use a force for that one. So, para ma-sure if na-lock pa siya, we can try bira-birahon siya. Hindi siya mabira. So, therefore, it's locked. Okay. You also do that in the other side, no? So, you strip. Samaran mo siya. Okay. And then, again, do what you did earlier. So, same color since this is a straight through cable. Alright, then straighten. Para mas dali i-arrange later. Alright, then once again, i-arrange mo siya by colors. So, white, green, white, orange, white, orange, blue rather, white, orange, blue, and then white, blue, then orange, then white, brown. Alright, na-arrange na siya. Then, once again, before putting RJ45, you double check if the colors are correctly organized. Okay, white, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. So that's correct. Orange. Okay. Then, i-cut na po na ito using the crimping tool. So, make sure again, pag-cut ninyo, walay mo lampas ng wires. And then, you crimp. So, cut the excess wires. There you go. Very straight. Okay. And then, put the RJ45. So, tama lang siya, no? Wala naglampas na wires. And then, check if may connection sa taas. There. So, dapat tanan colors makita. Because if ang isa wala, then it will not function. Or there will be no connection na po. Okay, insert. And then, push. There you go. Nalock na siya. Alright, so yay! We are finished with the straight through cable. Notice the patterns are straight, no? So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Because again, it's a straight through cable. Now for the crossover cable. So to start with again, let's start stripping the wire. So ito siyang samaran. So sama siya. And very easy, diba? With the crimping tool. So ang end side pod, no? Para well, you can also do this one later on sa other side, but pwede pwede mo siya sa maharandaan. It's up to you. Okay. So, let's arrange sa crossover cable. So, crossover cable, nasa siya different pattern. Okay. So, ang other end niya is, let's use white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, then white, brown, brown. So, since nalukot na siya, arrange na ito siya, and twist sa alright. Straight na to. And then, arrange. Once again, itong color na ako na-mention ganina. White, white, green. White, green. Green. White, orange. Blue. White, blue, orange, then white, brown, brown. Yeah. Again, white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Alright, and then cut. So you estimate, no? Basta ang standard lang gid is dili mo gawas ang wire pag sulod sa RJ45. Then cut there, and crimp, and put the RJ45 before crimping rather. Oops, sorry. Ayan, tama. So, tuot jud mo siya. Okay? And then, check nimo pod, no? If naduot ba jud. Then, apply force. 1, 2. Alright. Nalock na siya. As you can see, pwede na siya mabiba. And then, the other side would be white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, then white, brown, brown. So, i-untwist na nato siya before i-arrange. Ayan, and then so i-arrange nato siya, white, orange, orange. And then white, green. Blue. Then white, blue, green. And then white, brown, brown. And straighten before cut. Okay, with orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green. Alright. And then, cut na. Make sure po na straight pag-cut. Okay. And then insert RJ45. There you go. And print. Alright, lock and test if it's working or not. Alright, it's working.